In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages in Notion. Let's get started by opening the Notion website in your browser. You can do this on the web or in the desktop app. The steps are the same. Once you're in, make sure you're on the workspace where you want to work. Next, open a new page or open an existing one you want to use. If you already have a database page, you're in perfect shape. Adding properties is something you do inside a database page, such as a table, board, list, or gallery. If you're looking at a page that already shows columns like name and tags, you're in the right place. Inside your page, look for the option to add a property. You'll usually see it at the top of your database next to the existing columns. Click Add Property, then choose Date. Notion will create a new date property for your database. You can rename it so it's clear what the date represents, like start date, due date, or review date. Naming helps a lot when you're working with multiple dates across many pages. To add more than one date, simply repeat that process. Click Add Property again, select Date, and give each date property a meaningful name. You can add as many date properties as you need. This is useful when each page in your database represents a task, a project, or a note that needs more than one milestone date. Now, select a date for each property on each page. Click into the cell under the date property for a specific page and pick a date from the calendar that pops up. If you want a date range, turn on the End Date option inside the date picker to choose start and end dates. You can also add a time if that helps, or set a reminder so Notion nudges you when the date is getting close. If you change your mind, you can clear the date from the same picker. A couple of quick tips to keep things organized. Drag date properties left or right to arrange them in the order that makes the most sense to you. Keep property names consistent across similar databases to make navigating your workspace easier. And once dates are in place, you'll be able to view, filter, or sort your database by any of those date properties. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, open your page, add date properties, and choose the dates you need for each page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your work with multiple dates in Notion.